Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this. Well, no, I'm not going to be showing you guys how I made the wig. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I colored this wig for Valentine's Day. So stay tuned. I'm going to be using a wig that I already have. It's a 613 wig using YM hair extensions. It's about 20 inches and I've toned it into an ash blonde previously. I'm going to be coloring it today with some pink, 2 shades of pink from Tintation. I don't remember the color, so I will definitely leave either a link or a description down below. I wanted an ombre look, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around this whole wig and put the lighter pink at the base of the entire wig, and then after I get the lighter pink on the whole thing, I'll go back and I will put the darker pink on the ends. And I'll also show you guys and kind of explain how I like blended it together to make it look seamless. So now that I have all of the lighter pink on the base of the entire wig, I just went back in on that right side. The right side is already done. I went back in on the right side and did exactly what I'm doing right now, except I used a paintbrush. The only reason I'm doing it the way I'm doing it now by squirting is because I actually started running out, guys. I started running out of pink, darker pink, and didn't think I was gonna have enough, so I definitely wanted to make sure I stretched it, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm using my hand right here to kind of just blend that line of demarcation. I wanted it to look like it was melting into the next color, and I didn't want it to be like this harsh line, so that is why I'm using my hands in the motion like so. Just it gives it a seamless blend and makes it all just blend beautifully together. Make sure when you're coloring hair or wigs or whatever you're coloring that you take small enough sections so that you're not missing anything. I've done this before, and trust me, it is not fun when you have to go back and recolor a wig or recolor a section because your sectioning was not small enough. So just a little tip, make sure you take small sections, guys. After I had this color on, after I got all the color on, y'all, it looks so good. I was so excited to rinse this bad boy out, get it curled, and put this thing on. I wanted a wavy look, so that is what I'm going to be achieving with these nice big old barrel curls. I'm using my flat iron. You can use a curling iron that has a big barrel or a smaller barrel if you want them to be tighter, if you want the curls to be tighter, but it just depends on, you know, what you're wanting. This is the look that I'm going for, so this is my weapon of choice. A lot of people like ask me, how do you curl with a flat iron? It really just takes practice, guys. If you could just get the motion down pat, the rest just comes naturally. But practice, and I promise, like, you'll get it together. I promise. It's not that hard. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just putting some barrel curls in. If you guys want a tutorial on how I do my curls, leave me a comment below and I will definitely try and make that happen for y'all. I'm putting in some Moroccan oil just to make sure the hair isn't dry. I like to do this before while I'm, you know, raking out these curls. It came out so beautiful. Like, I'm in love at how these curls came out, how this color came out. It's like I wouldn't even say strawberry blonde. Like, it's like I can't even think of the word. What would y'all name this color wig? Let me know below. I don't know what I would name it. I just know it's bomb as I don't know what though. So the last thing I did off of camera was I used my hot comb to lay down these edges and make everything nice and flat. And this is the finished look, y'all. It came out so beautiful. I was so happy. I installed it off camera. If you guys want to see how I install my wigs, definitely leave me a comment below and tell me how you like this video so I can make some more for you guys. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you subscribe and I will see you guys next time. Bye, y'all. Mwah.